So, dear students, so all of you are aware that today is the Martyrs' Day. So, yes, all of you are aware. There is a great scientist, Einstein, greatest scientist, Einstein. In his words about Gandhi, he said that future generations won't believe this kind of man is living on the earth with flesh and blood. So you can imagine the greatness of Gandhi. Yes, all of you are aware, not the younger generation, you are not aware of the freedom movement, you are not aware of the sacrifices. Naturally, your generation and future generations, so as for Einstein, he said that you don't believe that this kind of man was living with flesh and blood. This was the greatness of Mahatma Gandhi. And the greatness is, in simple words, the greatness is he has got the freedom, he led the freedom movement without bloodshed. Many countries in the world got the freedom, independence, but with lot of blood, with lot of sacrifices of the lives of many people. But here it was done without any bloodshed. It was done with non-violence movement. So this is the great aspect of Mahatma Gandhi. And he is that great person you can imagine. So Obama used to have the photo in his office. American President Obama used to have the photo of Gandhi in his office. Yes, he is not only the leader of this country, he is the leader of the world. He has led a different movement, a very, very different movement all through to get the freedom for our country. I think this is the most memorable day for all of us for his great sacrifice and sacrifices of many leaders and the discovery of new path of getting the freedom. This is the great thing. For you as students, why should you know about Gandhi? So as ethical value, you should know Gandhi talked on everything, talked on religion, talked about education, talked on food, talked on clothing, talked on cleanliness. He talked on everything, every aspect of the life. Yes. So such Bharat, it was designed and coined by the Gandhi. Neatness. So he talked about education, he talked about science, religion, he talked on all aspects in his life and led the movement for the freedom of this country. So for you, for the students, why you should know about Gandhi? Yes, for your benefit, yes, Gandhi's thought process, Gandhi's thought is the compulsory subject in all the competitive examinations. Whether it is civil services like IAS, IPS, or Group 1, Group 2 services, or any service, Gandhian thought is the compulsory subject for all of you. So you have to learn more about Gandhi and not only birth date or death date, but you have to learn about his philosophy, his way of movement, how the movement is stayed by Gandhi, and what are the special features of Gandhi at his personal level. Special features is one of the special feature, very contemporary feature is all of us suffering and feel fear of corona, is it? But during the Gandhi days, when he was traveling all through the country suffered from lots of contagious diseases. Yes, now we are with masks, with isolation, without movement, without everything. But he has moved the entire country during those contagious diseases. He was not affected. His mental strength is that good. His physical stamina is that good. basically his mental strength is that we are all suffering from fear, but he has not suffered from that. He has moved all through with the public, day in and out, without big clothing or big dress and all that, with naked body, almost half-naked body. So the other thing what you have to grasp is adaptation of Gandhi, how he adapts to the situations. So Gandhi was a Bharat law. He practiced as a lawyer with a court, this, that, and all that. But once he came to India, he has removed all those things. He became half-naked because he has adopted himself, he wanted to mix with the common man. Very interesting, no? All of us, Gandhi earlier practiced in the court with law, suit, git, this, that, and all that. But he has removed everything after coming out to this country. Because what is the common man's dress in this country? Dhoti is the common man dress. So he, he wore the common man dress and moved around the country. So this is the small things about the greatness of this country. I feel happy if some of you go to library and take the Gandhian books, go through some of it, you will be enlightened. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.